So now that, push it up to you, close to your join as you can. Okay. And that's your, after a while that just stays down, and of course you're going to put your embellishments on there as well. So now you've got that page, your pockets, which I know do all little bits. I really wanted to get the main piece out of the way first, because then the decorating is entirely up to you. If you want to follow what I do, you can, and just go ahead and do whatever. I mean, that will hold your, one of your diaries, for instance, so that will be there. I mean, I'll show you that because I'm going to do the pockets out of some of the poster things. Right, so that's that page. So now on to this one, which is this one. Oh, I have got a magnet on that, but I think, right, this also is a stuff pocket. So, I mean, I'm going to put all my sort of newspaper cuttings in there. So, go ahead with that. I'll work it out as we go along. Sorry. I don't know whether you noticed, but while I was doing the other one, I did cover the front of this, because, I mean, this is pretty easy. You just put your paper on, mat, and layer your pieces up. I've yet to do the glossy accents on there. And I've put the sides and I've done the back. And that's basically it for that. So that's pretty straightforward. Right, so let's go ahead and make this pocket for the back. So you'll need a piece of 10.5. So that's 10.5 by 7. And then you score half inch, half inch, half inch. Turn your page round and do half inch, half inch, half inch. Then put your short side up to the top and score that 1 inch. Okay. So you'll need to, I found my other Tim Holtz, by the way. You need to score, cut that to there, and straight down your score line, the centre of the score line. Okay. Same again, straight down the centre of the score line. Cut those 3 little bits off. Okay. Right, so you should have a piece like that, which is 10.5 across, 7 inches down, and cut your corners there. So now we'll fold all this. Well, this is going to make your stuff page. Which you've already done, no. I think I've got the Album Queen watching here in Karen. I'm sure you're going to put right in the mistakes I've made. I mean, you know, on your own. Go. So you've got that. And then this bit, you need to chomp your edges. And fold outwards. You don't stick that down because that goes upwards. Right, so that's that part. I've got lockdown albums coming out like what names. So this is up to you if you want to put it that way or you want to put it that way. I like it this way because it's different. Just something different in the book. So you need to put, once again, don't go over your edges with this tape. Other people are as messy as me when they've got, I suppose they are for 1 minute. And all across, including your 1/2 inch folds, all across the bottom. Give that a good burnish. Take off that and stick it. Going out of your light, I know. Just feel so. Right. Stick a bit of glue just to make sure you've got a good bind. And then with your book and place it there on your book. Make sure that bottom's got a good. There we go. And that's your. Well, go in there. Just make sure it's. Excuse me. Hello, son.
Are you alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, I'm cool.